it's the gown. Ay, hindi ko kasi alam kasi minsan, ang bilis ng pangyayari, ilang second lang kami lumalabas ng stage eh. Minsan, baka napahapyaw lang ng tingin sa'yo ang judge, hindi ka nakita agad, hindi agad na-appreciate yung performance mo, or minsan wala lang silang chance to change their score kasi it's a computerized type of judging. What if they have given high scores already to the first few girls and wala nang chance sa'yo dahil nasa in the middle ka na, in the last ano ka na. So, ang daming pwedeng possible factors kung bakit hindi ka na-include. So, who am I to say na it's the gown or it's my performance or it's just me or maybe it's just my destiny to not be there. Kasi baka kinain ko na yung amplifier ko nandun pa ako. Pero I'm really positive with the whole experience and masaya ako.
And nagsabi daw is di ba, parang dapat Filipino gown designer yung
not cost.
Not other country. What do you say about yung gano'n?
I admire all the Filipino designers. Sobrang we had the best talents here in our country. But then again, we should always remember that Miss Universe is franchise-owned. So, kung paano man yung pamamalakad nila, I would respect to that kasi ako, I applied for the job, they got me, they are my boss. So, kung ano man yung sabihin nila na, eto yung gagawin mo, ako, I would follow kasi I'm here to submit myself to the people who owns the franchise.
Okay, moving on, di ba? So, tapos na yung Miss Universe and you prepared 3 years for that.
Yes.
Ano naman yung personal plans mo after this?
Long-term plans?
Syempre, business pa rin and kung open naman yung showbiz for me, why not, di ba? It's a great job kasi
politics.
For me, politics agad. I would do it. Ang dami kong gustong tulungan ng mga charities. I will be there for them and I think I don't need to be a politician to be able to help.
Ano yung specific charities or advocacy na gusto mong i-pursue?
Actually, na-meet ko yung president ng Stop the Hunger, yung ginawa namin doon. And nalaman ko nakaka-open lang nila dito sa Pilipinas. Sabi ko, I'll be more than willing to help na suportahan yung Stop the Hunger nila. So, siguro isa yun. And of course, the Operation Smile. Sobrang nakakatuwa talaga yun. And yung Hero Foundation, talagang nandyan pa rin ako for them.
Last siguro sa akin, yung sa showbiz ba, you want to become an MC or an actress or sino gusto mo makatrabaho kung sakaling bigyan
kung hosting man, gusto ko yun yung mga talk shows, ganung klase na, alam mo yun, very light and very positive lang.
If acting, sino yung gusto maging leading man, di ba? Para
ang dami!
Alam mo, nakikinig sila, di ba? Like, mention one or ano?
Siguro isa sa mga ina-admire ko, si Jericho Rosales and Derek Ramsey. Yung mga sobrang may puso talaga pag nag-aang.
Ano sa nangyari sa mga special action forces sa Maguindanao?
Actually,